Hazrat Zaid bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu states Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam made an apartment with the leaves of the date palm or reed mat, and then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to perform prayer therein. The companions radiyallahu anhum as well came and started performing the prayer in his lead. Hazrat Zaid radiyallahu anhu says, one day a lot of companions flogged and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam delayed his appearance. Hazrat Zaid bin Thabit radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not come, so the companions radiyallahu anhum started talking aloud and pelting the pebbles at the door. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon came in extreme anger, and then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them, if you keep on doing so, I think it will be enjoined on you. You should perform prayer in your houses, for the best prayer of a man other than the obligatory prayer is in house. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1822.